Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. This is Miraj Kamran in Explore Chemistry. In this video, I brought a quiz for you regarding structure of an atom. If you have watched my previous video related to this topic, you can easily attempt this quiz. So take this quiz to reveal your understanding for atomic structure. So let's start. Question number 1 for this quiz is the hydrogen atom does not contain the following. You will get 4 options. You have to choose any one option. Option number A is proton, option B is neutron, option C is electron, option D is shell. You will get 5 second time to give the correct answer. So your time starts now. Okay, time's up. The correct answer is B, neutron. If you have given this answer, this is correct, so you got 1 point. If you have not given this answer, you got nothing. Let's do the next question. Question number 2 is diamond and coal are both made up of carbon. The atomic weight of carbon is 12, atomic number is 6. How many neutrons does it have? Option A 6, option B 12, option C 4 and option D 0. And your 5 seconds time starts now. Time's up. The correct answer is option A 6. You got 1 point if you have given this answer. Let's do the next question. Question number 3 is nearly 4/5 of the air we breathe is nitrogen. If the atomic weight of nitrogen is 14 and it has 7 neutrons, then how many electrons does nitrogen have? Your option A is 8 electrons, option B is 6 electrons, option C 14 electrons and option D 7 electrons. Your time starts now. Okay, time's up. The correct answer is option D 7 electrons. You got 1 point for this correct answer and no point for wrong answer. Let's do the next question. Question number 4 is the electronic arrangement K2La shows that this neutral element is having dash protons. Your option A is 8 protons, option B 6 protons, option C 10 protons, option D 4 protons. And your time starts now. Okay, time's up. The correct answer is option C 10 protons. You got 1 more mark if you have given this correct answer. Let's do the next question. Question number 5 is the electronic arrangement K2La shows that this neutral element is having dash valence electrons. Option A is 9, option B 7, option C 5, option D 2. And your time starts now. Okay, time's up. The correct answer is option B 7 valence electrons. You got 1 point for the correct answer. Keep counting your points. Let's do the next question. Question number 6 is a silicon atom has 14 electrons. Its valence shell contains option A 8 electrons, B 4 electrons, C 6 electrons and D 2 electrons. And your time starts now. Okay, time's up. The correct answer is option B 4 electrons. You got 1 more point for this correct answer and no point for wrong answer. Let's do the next question. Question number 7 is the number of electron, proton, neutron of the element 30 Zn means zinc 65 will be Zn is the symbol of zinc. Option A is 30 electrons, 30 protons, 35 neutrons. Option B is 30 electrons, 30 protons, 30 neutrons. Option C is 30 electrons, 30 protons and 65 neutrons. Option D is 30 electrons, 65 protons and 65 neutrons. Your time starts now. Okay, time's up. The correct answer is A 30 electrons, 30 protons and 35 neutrons. You got 1 point for this correct answer. Next question is question number 8. The capacity of N shell is, and your options are option A 2 electrons, option B 8 electrons, option C 18 electrons and option D 32 electrons. Your time starts now. Okay, time's up. The correct answer is option B 32 electrons. You got 1 point for correct answer. Let's do the next question. Question number 9 is the atomic structure of an atom is given below. Identify the element. Option A is 16s32, option B 32s16, option C 16s16 and option D 16s30. And your time starts now. Okay, time's up. The correct answer is option A 16s32 because this element is sulfur. The symbol for sulfur is S and with the symbol atomic number and atomic masses are written like this. 16 is the atomic number of sulfur and 32 is the atomic mass of sulfur. If you have given this correct answer, you got 1 point. For wrong answer, you got 0 point. Now let's do the next question. Question number 10 is atoms of the same element must always have the same number of dash. In dash, you have to fill either electrons or protons or isotopes or option D neutrons. Your time starts now. Okay, time's up. The correct answer is protons. If you have given this answer, you got 1 point. Because with protons, with number of protons or atomic number, atoms or elements are identified. Let's do the next question. Question number 11 is Au is the symbol of gold. What is the atomic number of gold? Option A 19, option B 97, option C 79 and option D 196. Your time starts now. Okay, time's up. The correct answer is option C 79. You got 1 point for correct answer. Let's do the next question. Question number 12 is if an atom has 19 protons, it must have dash electrons orbiting the nucleus. Option A is 9, option B 10, option C 18, option D 19. Your time of 5 seconds starts now. Okay, time's up. The correct answer is option D 19. You got 1 more point for this correct answer. Let's do the next question. Question number 13 is M shell is divided into following subshells and your options are option A S only, option B S and P, option C S, P and D and option D S, P, D and F. Your time starts now. Okay, time's up. The correct answer is option C, S, P and D. Because M is the third number shell, so it is divided into 3 subshells. You got 1 point for correct answer. Let's do the next question. Question number 14 is, what is the center of an atom called? Option A, the electrons. Option B, the protons. Option C, the nucleus. And option D, the neutrons. The time starts now. Okay, time's up. The correct answer is C, the nucleus. It was very easy question. You got 1 point for this easy question correct answer. Next question is question number 15. Where are the electrons inside an atom? And your options are option A, the electrons are inside the nucleus. Option B is they are arranged in energy levels. Option C is they are spread equally throughout the atoms. And option D is they are attached with the nucleus. and your time of 5 seconds starts now. Okay, time's up. The correct answer for this question is option B. They are arranged in energy levels. If you have given this answer, you got 1 point. If you have not given this answer, you got 0 point. Let's do the next question. Question number 16 is, what is the electronic configuration of chlorine? A symbol of chlorine is given here. And your options are option A 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. Option B is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. Option C is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. And option D is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. Your time starts now. Okay, time's up. The correct answer is option C 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. You got 1 point for this correct answer. Question number 17 is, which neutral element has the following electron configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2? And your options are option A neon, option B magnesium, option C oxygen, and option D sodium. Your time starts now. Okay, time's up. The correct answer is option B, magnesium. You got 1 more point for this correct answer. Let's do the next question. Next question number 18 is, what is the electron configuration of this atom? Atomic structure is given. You have to choose the correct electron configuration from options. Options are A 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, pd2. Option B is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s1. Option C is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2. And option D is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. And your time starts now. Okay, time's up. The correct answer is option C 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2. You got 1 point for this correct answer. Next question is question number 19. The electron configuration of an atom is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. The number of valence electrons in the atom is option A 2, option B 4, option C 6, and option D 8. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option B 8. You got 1 point for this correct answer and 0 point for wrong answer. Let's do the last question of this quiz. Question number 20 is, which is the first element to have 3d electrons in its electron configuration? Option A is potassium, option B calcium, option C scandium, and option D argon. And your time starts now. Okay, time's up. The correct answer is option C, scandium. You got 1 point for this correct answer. Okay, now it's time for the result. Before seeing your result, you have to first count your stars or your points which you got in each question. After counting stars, I'll tell you your grades. Now this is very interesting part of the video, result section. If your points or stars are from 16 to 20, you got A plus grade. That's brilliant. You have done a great job. Congratulations. Keep working like this. If your score is between 14 or 15, you got A grade. That's good. You have done excellent job. Keep working little harder so you can easily get A plus. If your score is either 12 or 13, you got B grade. That's average result. But with a very little hard work, you can improve your result. So keep working. If your score is either 10 or 11, You got C grade and this is satisfactory result. You are at the bottom line. If you will not work hard, you can be failed. So start working from today. If your score is in between 8 or 9, you got D grade, it shows that you need to work very hard. You can be failed if you will not start studying from today. You must have to start studying. And if your score is from 0 till 7, it shows that you got F grade. This is very unsatisfactory result because you have failed this quiz. So start working, start studying. For help, you can watch my videos so you can improve your result. I hope you enjoyed this quiz. If you like this quiz, please share with your friends and family and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.